Welcome everybody. In this SKYSLOPE tutorial, I will show you how you can prepare your documents to get signed initial and send it to your clients. So in last tutorial, I show you how you can create a file, bring in forms and get your client's information in there. I strongly recommend you see that before you watch this tutorial. If you haven't, I'll leave a link in the description below and you'll see a card pop up here. Once all your forms are filled and ready, right, and on bottom right corner you will click on this prepare signature blue button, and then this pop-up window will pop up. Here we will select who need to sign, who doesn't need to sign. John is our client, yes, he needs to sign. Kamaldeep Singh, that's you, yes, you will need to sign. All right, and the other parties, the seller agent, do not need to sign because they are not our client. So we'll click next. Here we are in a DigiSign. Okay, I will click on this plus icon to zoom into my forms. Now all these forms are mapped and DigiSign will automatically enter most of the signatures and initials. Like here, for example, form 10 already signatures from John is already there. Okay, to make sure it's the right person, see how the color is kind of red orange, and that's what John's color is, red orange. That's how you identify whose initials or signature is going to be. And also if you click on it, that person name will pop up here. Okay, and we just click away, we'll click away, and then that will go away. Now form 10 is good. Okay, and here we are, form 300. Now this initial here, you only need this if your agreement with your buyer is more than 6 months. If you don't need it, just click on it and press delete, and that will go away. Here's already one initial there. Here's another initial of the buyer, and here is your initial, blue. If I click on it, I'll see my name pop up. Okay, keep on going. There we go, both are there. Here's my signature. Okay, here's client signature, dates. Here's another my signature and client signature. Now I did not fill these forms fully. Okay, there's a lot of information missing here. This is just a demonstrative purposes to show you how to send these forms to your clients. Now let's say something is missing somewhere. Right here, right? We are missing initial. So what we will do, we'll make sure we have our client's name selected here, right? And we will click on initials right here. And when we click on it, see kind of it changes the color. So that means this tool is activated. Now wherever I click on my form, initials box will come there. So we need one here, boom, there we go. Now until this button is highlighted, wherever you click, it'll keep on putting initials. Let's just delete those. All right, let me actually delete these two. I'll show you how to put those there. And now let's say I want to put a signature here, right? So I will click on signature. See, it changes to signature. I'll click here. Here's my signature. I'll drag and adjust it. I need a date. I will click on date. I'll click here. Here's my date. I'll deselect date so I can now work with these a little bit. And here we go. Okay, that's how you can use all these if you need to write something somewhere. So maybe I forgot to put the date here, right? And so what I can do, I can put a text field. I'll click here. All right. Once it's selected, I can also double click it and enter the information here. Or I can, once it's selected, I can come here, text box here, and I can enter there, maybe 18. Okay, Now here I want to enter a month, text field, right here. I'll enter a month, June, and then another text field, and I'll click here, 23. All right, I'll click deselect text field. What else you want to do is make sure these text fields are not editable. So when you click on one of them, and right here you'll see option field or read only. So you want to make sure you click on read only. All right, so do same thing for June, do same thing for the year. So now these fields are read only, so the person who's signing it cannot change the text. What else you can do? You can set up a signing order. So what you have to do, you click on these three dots, okay, and we're gonna click on edit recipients, and you want to click on add signer group. You click on that, and see right here it says who signs second. So this box, who signs first, so whoever going to sign second, for example Kamaldeep Singh is going to sign second. So we'll bring that, drag and drop it here, and that's it. We save. So for this tutorial I cancel the signing order, so there's no signing order for this envelope. And now we will click send, and here you can change the message of your email and click send for signatures. Right now, wherever you need to sign, it gives you the option sign now. Okay, so we'll click on that right now. I agree, and here we go. We click on start, and it tells me, okay, I need my sign here. Click on it. I choose the style of my signature, all right, and initial, and click use this signature, and here we go. I'll keep on going, and then finish. This is exactly how it will look on other side. So I can say I'm done, and here we're back in our envelopes. As you can see, one person out of two have signed. This is your progress bar. All right, now if say something goes wrong and you need to cancel this, or you need to change something, until the other person haven't signed yet, you can click on these three dots and say correct envelope or cancel. I normally cancel envelope, and that way you'll just cancel. But once it's signed, all the parties signed is signed, right? Then you gotta use whatever amendment or something to make changes. Now here's how will the email look on your client side. Hey John, your documents are ready to review and sign. And it's from Kamaldeep Singh, right? He or she will click on get started, I agree, and everything else is same what I just showed you. Let's click on here. They will get to choose their signature, or they can even draw. You can draw here. Let's say John, right? Use the signature, click, 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 click. Once they're done, finish signing. All right, now they're done. They can download, view signed documents. It's all up to them. Now here we are back in our SKYSLOPE, and it's completed. The status of documents is completed. If you click on these three dots, you have option to download your envelope. If you click here, it'll be single file. If you click here, it'll be individual forms, separate files in a zip file. All right, I'll show you both. I'll click on that one, and I'll click on zip. All right, now here I am in my download folder, and here's the files I downloaded. Here's a single file. If I view that, and you can see all my forms are in one file. Here's my zip file. If I double click that, it will make a folder. I'll go into the folder, and here are all my forms individually. Okay. Well, that is it for this tutorial. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment. And if you have any suggestion for a future tutorial, please let me know that in the comment. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.